Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez, and today I'm going to be doing a Halloween haul for you today. All of my items are from the 99-cent only store. Yeah, I said that right. And only one item is going to be from Dollar Tree. Now I have a very specific idea in mind of what I want to do my table decor this year, because I had the idea last year but I didn't have enough supplies and I didn't want to spend any more money, so I'm hoping to finally do it this year. So let's just get right on to the video. Now let me go ahead and start with the Dollar Tree. The one item that I bought was this beautiful skull, and he is pearlescent and he's small. He's just a nice little shelf sitter. He's perfect. I love this coloring. They did have a black gray version of this same type of pearlescent skull. So again, it's from the Dollar Tree, so it was just $1. I forgot, I did have one other thing from the Dollar Tree, and it is these little 8-piece skulls, and it's just little skull brains. These are great little scatter. I did buy some last year from Walmart, and I believe those were $2.98, so this was a better deal for $1. Never mind, I bought 3 things from the Dollar Tree. I bought these shot glasses, and they are in the shape of a skull. I think I may put a little tea light in them and add them to my table decor. These are not to be used as shot glasses, but they are pretty cool because they are in the shape of a skull. Of course, to go with my table decor, I bought this lace table runner. This is from the 99-cent only store, and it was 99 cents. Let me see, where do we get there? So that's kind of what it looks like. It is pretty large. It is beautiful. I think it even works great for the people who do DIY costumes, and they just need like a small piece of fabric for like a veil or something. This is good for that too, but it will be used as a table runner for me. I may go back for a second one, just to have us backup, because I do love this like spider pattern, and I love the way it kind of comes at an end. Let me see, does the picture show it? Not very well, but where it comes at an end right there with one center spider web. And then I did get a lot of bottles, and I'm not going to tell you how I'm going to use them. Follow me on my Instagram. That's where I'm going to post the final picture, and maybe I'll do a small dining room tour for my Halloween decor. But first of all, I got these bottles, and they're going to be kind of hard for you to see, but this one says Buddha, or yeah, that's what it sounds like to me. And it's just a nice little skeleton showing off. There we go. And this was just $1. And I did get a second one, and this one says Happy Halloween, and it has a nice little rat on there with Halloween and a little spider web. I most likely will take this off. Usually you can rub them off with some rubbing alcohol. Just put some on a little cotton pad and just kind of take it off, especially because this one is very off-centered. You can see kind of how it like folds over here. So most likely this one may be coming off. I may keep this one just because of the skull. Maybe I'll just take off the Buddha. I don't know why it says Buddha or Boudet. Oh, Boudet. Maybe that's what it says. And then I got some shorter ones, and again, it has the same nice little fella with the funny phrase. And I did get 2 of these. I like to get things in pairs or sets of 3. So it's either going to be a pair that I get things, or follow by the rule of 3 and just get 3. Those were $1 as well. And then I got these other ones, and these are pretty neat. I love the detailing of the glass, and I do love the stickers that they chose for these sets. And they are what are these called? They have like fairy lights inside of them. You can use them individually, or you can put this little cork like thing that has the lights. These were $1.99 because of the lights, but I do love, again, most of all the detailing. These are going to fit perfectly with what I have in mind. Seeing these was what reignited my idea to like, you have to do it this year, because these were just so perfect. And then here's number 2, and this one says Halloween, and it has a nice little friendly crow with some bats. And these are pretty dirty, but you can take this off and just wash them. And number 3 has a lovely little spider, and it says spooky. Oh, it's a black widow. Love it. Then I got these wall hanging decor. This was 99 cents. It's a nice, lovely little gentleman, and I think these will look perfectly right next to my TV. They are just beautiful. They are burlap, and then what they use to like stencil him in is black glitter, but it's not the glitter that falls off, so that's perfect because I'm not a fan of glitter. And then the second one is this owl, and he says boo, and he's sitting on a pumpkin. And again, these will go most likely side by side on my TV. And now this is most definitely my favorite item that I got for Halloween, and it is these beautiful cloaks. I think that's how you say it. These were $1.99, and they are plastic, so you do have to take care of them so that they don't scratch up. But they were perfect. I'm gonna fill them up with nice little things. Maybe I'll put the DIY here on my channel of what I plan to do, or maybe I'll just make it a quick Instagram one. But I didn't only get one. Again, I like to buy things in pairs, so I bought 2. These are perfect. They're beautiful. You could honestly probably paint these, the black parts at least, and keep them up year round if they're up in a shelf somewhere where you won't see that they're actually just plastic. But they are great, especially for $1.99. They will be perfect for my Halloween decor this year. That's it. This was a very quick haul. These are, again, mostly items from the 99-cent only store. This just scratched the surface with how great the rest of their items will be. I cannot wait to go in and buy some more. I may not do another haul here on YouTube, so again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Most likely that's where I'm going to post the remainder of my items, and I may do a mini house tour for Halloween, or just kind of show you the Halloween decor that I have done, so that you can see how I used all these items that I did get today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me in the comments down below what you're going to dress up for Halloween. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.